What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another New Year's Eve cocktail, or New Year's Day as well, it's perfect. But today's cocktail, guys, celebrate New Year's Eve. It is Set the New Year on Fire. Right, so get your highball glass and now we'll go build it. So put in 6 mint leaves at the bottom. Right, so we've got to pour in 50 ml or half an ounce of sugar syrup or simple syrup. And now 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Perfect. So what we're going to do now, guys, is get your muddler and muddle it. So we're just muddling the mint leaves. But so just lightly muddle it so you're not ripping the mint leaves. So what you're doing now is adding 60 ml or 2 ounces of scotch. I'm using Ardbeg, which is Jason's best friend. And now we've just got to add lots of crushed ice. I think I might fill it right to the top, and then the last bit is layer on the Campari like that. Right, now we've got to add the Campari, so 50 ml or half an ounce. So we're going to do it from the jig and I'm going to do it on the back of a spoon. So it creates a nice little effect, as you can see, it's a nice drink. But now for the showstopper. So get half a lime now, because you've got your lime shell now. Because it's fresh as squid, so it's nice and dry now. So it sits perfectly on top. So this is what gives this cocktail its name, Set the New Year on Fire. So I've got a crouton, I'm going to use a crouton for mine. You can use a sugar cube if you've got one. Now what we're going to do now, guys, is setting it on fire. So we're going to pour the overproof rum over the crouton. So if you've got a sugar cube, that'd be preferably. Well, a crouton does the job as well. Right, now we'll dose it. Now, the fun bit. I'll blow this out as soon as I can. There we go. That is the cocktail setting the new year on fire. And then guys, so it's very important that you blow this drink out before you sip it. Because I've not quite got it perfect, it's one mistake. Because I when I poured a little bit of overproof rum, it has got into the drink itself. It wasn't meant to, so hopefully spilled into a little bit in the drink itself. That's what I was fearful of. But it's not happened. And there we go, guys, that is Set the New Year on Fire cocktail. What an amazing drink it is. It's just showstopper. Certainly one for that. How does it taste? Very nice. Because when you're drinking it, all I can smell going up my nostrils is the obviously the burnt crouton. That's what I can smell. Strong smell a lot. But it's very tasty though, I've got to admit. It's a very, very nice drink. I think that's a perfect way to get the New Year's Eve party started, I think. And that, guys, is Set the New Year on Fire cocktail. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. What do you guys think of this cocktail? Is it a showstopper? It's an amazing drink to have. It's very tasty as well. I do have to admit, it's very, very tasty as well. Because hey, it's a nice presentation. It's a beautiful drink. I'd certainly recommend it for the New Year's. It's beautiful, and I'd certainly recommend it on New Year's Eve. But do stay safe on New Year's Eve. Have a nice time. Enjoy your drink, and I will recommend this. But I've been MixedSid. Because don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this. And I will see you guys for my next New Year's Eve cocktail. Cheers.